It's the question that wakes you up at 3 in the morning. You've worked for decades. You've saved what you could, and still you lie there and wonder, can I actually afford to retire? Here's the good news. You can answer that, not with a guess, not with a gut feeling, with 4 simple numbers. Because the real question was never, how big is my nest egg? It's, will my money outlast me? And that depends less on what you've saved and more on what you spend. So that's where we start. Step 1. Know your real monthly spending. Not a rough idea, the actual number. Add up the last 3 months. Housing, food, insurance, the car, the dog, the streaming services you forgot you had. That number is your finish line. Everything else measures against it. Step 2. Find your income floor. This is the money that shows up no matter what. Social Security, a pension, maybe an annuity. It arrives whether the market is up or down, rain or shine. And for most people, that floor covers more of the bills than they expect. Step 3. The gap. Take your monthly spending and subtract your income floor. What's left is the gap, the part your savings has to fill. And here's the quiet truth. A small gap changes everything. It means your portfolio is a helper, not the whole show. Step 4. Can your savings cover that gap? A common rule of thumb says you can pull about 4% from your savings each year and have it last. The quick math? Multiply your monthly gap by 300. That's roughly the nest egg the 4% rule points to. If you're near it, the math works. Now, the curveball. If you retire before 65, health insurance is on you until Medicare begins. For early retirees, it's often the single biggest line in the whole budget. So don't guess it, price it, and remember, taxes don't retire when you do. Money you pull from a traditional 401k or IRA counts as income, and it's taxed. A dollar saved there isn't a full dollar to spend. Plan for the bite, and there are no surprises. One more thing the online calculators miss: timing. A rough market in your first few years of retirement hurts far more than the same dip 10 years in. So keep a cushion. A year or 2 of spending in cash, and you can ride out the bad stretches without selling at the bottom. So, can you actually afford to retire? Now you can answer it honestly. 4 numbers. What you spend, your income floor, the gap, and the savings to fill it. You don't need to be rich to retire. You need to be clear. And now you are.